Okay, so here is the final product. I lifted my Jeep 4.5 inches in the front, 5.5 in the back. Transfer case, actually the transmission has a little hole inside of it for like a little rubber grommet that the shifter lever plugs into for leverage. So when you pull this back, it has some tension, and it's just a bar that runs straight across into a standoff piece of metal and with another hole in it. So it's literally, that's what holds it in there. So when you drop your transfer case support bar, it pops that out. So what I did was I loosened the nut on the end of it, this, so that I could get some play in it. And then I just built an L bracket below the existing bracket that was on there and bolted it up in there, and just a piece of scrap metal I had sitting around in the garage. So now, neutral for low, neutral for high. The gauge indicator next to it is for a 242. I have a 249 in here currently, so don't let that throw you. So if we get under here and we take a look, you can see that V-shaped bracket is, it's got a flat surface on top of it. You can't see from here. You can only see the edge of it, but it goes up. And that's where this shift linkage right here went into before. It went into the transfer case right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Right here is that little hole in that grommet. So I pushed it back in there, pulling it out of the bracket up here, and I just simply, and I misthreaded this hole, so I only have one bolt holding this on, but it's plenty because I tap and died it. It's 2 1/8mm. So I threaded that bolt in there. It's not going anywhere. It's just a support. And then I just fed this control arm, which runs the shift linkage. I just ran it through this hole, which is 0.375 inches in diameter. Get a little bit of close up on that. So it's a perfect fit right through there, back into the transfer case. So all I did was I just got a piece of junk metal 90°, screwed it in, bolted it in right here into the existing old support where it used to go in up here, straight in. Right, actually I can touch it. It's right there. I don't think you can see that. It's right there. And easy cheesy, well, except for working on the ground upside down with oil dripping on me. The transfer case shift lever works perfectly, and it literally cost me nothing. So I would say before you go buy an expensive kit that you're going to have to probably drill a hole in something anyway, just get a piece of angle bracket if you have laying around somewhere, drill a hole in the side of it, drill it into the bottom of that existing, I don't know, V thing, and just lower that pin down. Done. It doesn't support any weight. It's not going to go anywhere. So there's the solution. Don't spend $100 when you don't have to.